in forever. I'm gonna do better this year, I swear. I'm gonna do better. These are my passion twists. I am obsessed with how these came out, first of all. The color is popping, as you can see for yourself. Okay? On a serious note, I wanna say this was my favorite passion twist hair. There was really not much I had to do to get this look. You're gonna see how easy and how simple it really is when I show you right now. Don't roast me, because I didn't have no makeup on. I was looking crazy, but I'm cute right now. Very cute right now. So anyways, I want you guys to really enjoy this video. It's a very easy tutorial. I actually had a good time doing this, and it was so quick. It literally took me not even 4 hours. I wanna say 3 to do all the rubber bands and all the twists. So please like, share, subscribe, guys. Go check out the video in 3. So I am starting out. I did do a couple in the back just because it's really hard for me to show you guys how I do that. I have no idea how I even do that, but I look crazy and I feel crazy when I'm doing it. So I'm just pulling what edges I do have left to the front. Don't mind me. And we're gonna go ahead and start parting on the left side. So all I'm doing here is adding edge control to make the part like more defined and cleaner before I put the rubber band on. So the hair comes in this, and you just have to cut this. I usually just pull it, and this is what everything ends up looking like. So literally I just grab 2 pieces. The pieces that you grab, you want to make sure that they're going in the same curl direction. So if you look at these 2, they're both curling this way. If I were to grab this one and that one, oh, those curl in the same direction too. I think this might be the first pack. Oh, okay, see, no, these are 2 different. No, these are the same. That's elite. Because a lot of times I buy hair and it curls in like different directions. You gotta find which one matches which one. I'm not gonna say no brand names, but it's my favorite one. But I might have to rethink that after these. But these all curl in the same direction, I think. Yeah, they do. So yeah, like I said, but this is just for if you're not using this type of hair. You wanna get the ones that curl in the same direction like these 2. And what I do is I just take both strands in my hand like this. You gotta separate them from the little locked curl they're in. So you can start from where the top right there, you just pull it out. And I just take that. Let me get this one piece out for now. So you take the 2 and you grab your crochet hook. Now you're just gonna go in and out the other side like that. Latch the hair on. While it's open, you're gonna latch the hair on, close it, pull it back through. When you pull it back through, you wanna grab the piece, pull it some more to where you can open it, and you're just gonna pull and see what side comes out. Okay. Then once you do that, I squeeze the rubber band a little bit more. And I'm taking my Eco Styler and I'm just putting that on my natural hair that's gonna be left out. Just a good amount. Half it, split it in half. And since the curls are going that way, we're gonna twist that way. So you start your twist like that. So now we are at our top two, the last two that we have. And this was really quick. I don't know how long it took me. Probably like not even a good 3 hours, honestly. Like after you do the rubber bands, this part right here is cake. And it was so easy for me. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I did these last two, and then I'll show you the end results.
The only one here, I think, that has met the African prince.
That's not true.
Well,
let me explain to you how it happened.
Okay.
And then you determine whether or not I met him or not, okay?
I can't wait. Yeah.
Okay? I was walking out of my hotel in Beverly Hills. You know my hotel I like to stay at with my girlfriend. A man approached me. It's very dark. It was probably 10 at night. He approached me and he said, Kinmara is across the street. Kinmara is across the street. I could not understand what he was saying.
Okay.
He had a very thick accent. I looked at him and I was like, what the hell is he saying? Kinmara is across the street. I just kept walking. Kenya called to my phone and she said, why the hell you walk off from my man, girl? I said, what man? And then it dawned on me, the guy with the accent kept saying Kinmara. And I guess he was saying Kenya Moore is across the street. She said, he's in a black Ferrari. I said, no, bitch, we're in a black Ferrari. So she didn't even know what he was driving. So if that's what you call meeting her boyfriend, then I must have met him.